Hello everyone and welcome to another ACENji tutorial video. Today we're going to show you how you can work on your projects. Now we're going to click on Forms, and you can either click on Create Form, or if you've already created one you can click here and click Edit. Now here you can choose your name, your start date, your due date, decide when it's done. You can also, over here, add the name of any user you want to work on the project. And this is a description box, so you can add a description about your project for everyone to see here. If you have a lot of projects that you're working on, it can be nice to have a little picture so you can help tell the difference. And we are going to drag and drop the text input. And we are going to type in the question, what is your name? And in the placeholder, I'm going to type, hello world. We can talk about our max length and element size in another video, but what this will do is when this application is run, they will see this pop up on their screen, and they will see a what is their name question, and they can enter their name. And we're going to save. And if we go back to Forms, we can see that our form has updated. And thank you for listening to this tutorial.